Hi guys, it's Marty here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to look around, subscribe, share and comment. And when you're subscribed, please don't forget the notification icon. Click on it so you don't miss any content. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So guys, in today's video we'll be doing something different. It's cocoa DIY. We'll be using cocoa powder for this DIY, and in as much as cocoa is good for consumption, it's equally good for the skin because it's packed with antioxidant property which helps fight against free radicals and helps rejuvenate the skin and softens it. So alongside cocoa, we'll be using other things. Of course, brothers and sisters, honey, milk and banana. These marks will help brighten the skin and give it that supple look. So let's dive into it without wasting your time. So most of you might be wondering what kind of cocoa. Actually, this is one I have at home. You could use any kind as far as it's unsweetened cocoa. So this is banana, and banana is banana. You can use any kind of banana. There are no special banana for it. And of course, we'll be using honey. Lastly, for the marks, we'll be using milk, which I have in my cup here. And someone asked me what kind of milk. Actually, it's just any kind of powdered milk. I just added a little water in it and to dilute it. So this. And again, guys, I have my measuring spoon. I'm tired of should I say putting things that are not measured. So this is it. I'll be using this spoon to measure. You can use anyone. Okay, first of all, I'll be starting off with the banana. If you can blend this is fine, but you can equally use your fork and your spoon, or your spoon. I say fork and spoon. So I just need that small, so I'll use this. So I will be adding vitamin E capsule. I just want to add it. It's not necessary. It's okay if you don't have it. This is fine. I just want to add it because vitamin E is also beneficial to the skin. So I'll be adding 2 capsules. Squeeze. Not coming out. So you mix all of them together. You can skip that process, that step, if you don't have vitamin E, but it would also be good if you have it. So our mask is ready, and we'll apply this. As you can see, it looks fine. You can eat it if you want. So And you know the deal, before you start applying anything, you have to clean your face. So since I haven't washed my face, I'll be cleaning my face with my micellar water, micellar cleanser, maybe. As usual, we'll be applying it with our brush. I don't know what to tell you if you don't have brush, but you just have to look for a way to manage. When applying, please avoid the eye area, this side. It's not, I don't know, let's say it's because it has a thin layer. That's why you have to avoid the eye region. You just apply it outwardly, and also basically just apply it. As usual, always make sure you test patch before trying it out on your face. Just, you can put it here or here, just anywhere around. Keep it there for like 10 minutes to see if you're reacting to it, and if you're not, you can continue applying it on your face. But if you are, please do not use it. Yes, don't use it. And this mask is good, best applied twice a week for effective use. And also, I'll be leaving it for 15 minutes. You can leave yours if you have much time. I'll be leaving for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, thereabouts. So I'll come back once it's dry and show you the after look. Do I look like Ojuju color? So guys, this is me after 15 minutes and I'm back. I'll just go and wash it off and come back and let you know what's up. I just finished washing my face. As you can see, my face looks better than when we started before, and it's a bit smoother. I feel better. So for if you wake up with a dull skin, and you need something to brighten your face, you can use this mask. It helps me. It really works better for brightening your face and moisturizing your face. So guys, make sure you try this twice a week, and if you have any one left, you can put it in the fridge, in the refrigerator. And since you're doing it twice a week, so you can probably use that the next day or 2 days after and use it. So, and lastly, please make sure you moisturize your face. It is a necessity because after all these stuff, your face dries out without moisturizer. So make sure you moisturize your face. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the notification bell so you don't forget when I post. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Peace.